this video is for people who can't log into their computer, they don't know the password, or they don't have the admin, like they don't have admin on their computer and they need admin access for things that they need to do, like install programs, run something as an administrator, etc., etc. You just can't do it right now. And I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go to an actual computer that you can access, any like laptop. Yeah, I'm going to be doing that. All right. So what you're gonna want to do is go ahead, go here, download Linux Mint, okay, and you're gonna want to go here and download this Rufus. You can download the portable one, the one with the P, and then do this, and then I already have my USB flash with Linux Mint. Make sure your USB is fully backed up. You don't have anything on it that you do not need, right? Because it will wipe everything. You choose your flash drive here and you choose your ISO file that you just downloaded from over here to this, right? Okay, that's what you need to do. And you hit start and it'll ask you, would you rather do like ISO mode or DD mode? Just go DD mode. And yeah, that's it. That's all. Okay, that's all you have to do on another device. You have to do this on another device because obviously you can't log in on your first device. That's like the whole point. All right. Once you got your flash drive, what you want to do is restart the computer. Before you do, I'm just going to show you what we're going to end up having. You're going to end up at the end, once we're done with this process, clicking this, clicking magnifier, and it's going to show up command prompt instead of a magnifier, you know. If you still need the magnifier after, we're going to restore it. Don't worry. All right. So yeah, what you're going to want to do is take your flash drive. Oh my God. And plug it into your computer. So you have your flash drive plugged into your computer right here. You're gonna want to go back over. You're gonna want to go here. You're gonna want to restart. And as you restart, you're gonna want to, once it like turns off, mash one of the keys. I'll have the keys for every single type of computer, HP, Dell, etc., on screen, so you know which one it is. It's gonna take a second. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna mash escape. I'll put it up screen. Probably already did. I don't know. I'm not future me, but yeah, mash escape. And then, I'll show you which key you have to press, but I'm gonna go F9. Go to boot menu. All right. So you can see my flash drive is called. It's a Staples flash drive. So you can see it's this one. I'm gonna click enter on the flash drive. And then you see this, start Linux Mint. You hit enter on that. Okay, once it is fully booted up, you're gonna see like a interesting little desktop kind of environment. Okay, the only reason we did all this is because we need a file explorer. Okay, you're gonna find your 200. It's a 255 gigabyte volume for me, but yeah. If you don't find this, make sure that you have BitLocker turned off, because BitLocker will stop you from seeing your hard drive because it's encrypted. You can turn that back off on Windows. If you have that on, then someone might be cooked. But if anyway, you're basically just accessing your hard drive from another, like you're accessing your hard drive. It's like having an external hard drive, except you're booted off the flash drive, you know. Anyway, what you're gonna look, I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is go to find the Windows folder, find System32. I don't know where it is. Okay, System32, and then you're gonna want to search for cmd.exe. You see this one? You want to just copy it. You copy this one to your desktop. Doesn't really matter where you copy it. Just make sure you have it. Paste. As you can see, this is cmd.exe. You're gonna want to hit F2 to rename, or right click. But I'm just used to pressing F2. Just rename this to Magnify. As you can see, It's called Magnify. I'm pretty sure that's how you spell it. Now, I'm gonna go back here and look for Magnify, just to make sure that I spelled it right. All right, Magnify. As you can see, magnify.exe. I did spell it correctly. Magnify. Now, you could back up this file if you want Magnify, but even if you don't, there's still a way to get it back. But just copy this to a place where you can get it back later. I'm gonna put it in like my external hard drive. Actually, I'm just gonna put it in my users folder on my computer, the same 255 gig thing, and put it on, just put it here in my main user. This is like the user everybody uses on my computer. Just put it here or something. Put it wherever you want, wherever you'll be able to find it later. All right, so this is here, so you can back it up later. Okay, so now what you're gonna wanna do is go back to System32, Windows, System32, right here, go Windows System32, and just drag this in here. And it'll be like, yo, you wanna replace this? Yes, you wanna replace this. All right, now you have cmd.exe, the whole point of this, you have cmd.exe as System32, as Magnify, right? So whenever you press Magnify, it'll be CMD in all actuality. So what you're gonna wanna do now is restart. All right, and remove your flash drive once it tells you to, and press enter. I already removed my flash drive, but you should listen to it, not me, All right, now it's gonna boot into Windows. And this is like the Windows spinny spin, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna pause it because you guys are gonna get mad. And I'm booted up. Now, okay, yo, Windows, okay. So, I don't know what my account is, right? So, most people will just usually have like their password box, but I have like a other user thing. I'm gonna disable that soon. But anyway, you wanna go to accessibility and enable magnifier. Now, this time, it'll show a fully administrator exe, what's it called, CMD. You wanna go, okay, now there are several commands that you're gonna need to run. Don't run away. This is the only way you can probably fix this other than formatting, so yeah. So one command, if you don't know the users that you have on your computer, you type net user. Okay, just to get the username. Okay, as you can see, we have the Windows, like this is a Windows user, like it comes with Windows, don't worry about this one. I have main user, socked, Siraj, default account, WG, this default account, this account, and this account, and the guest account, all come pre-installed with Windows. So look for any other account. This main user account, this socked account, this Siraj account, this SMB account are all accounts I have on my computer. Now, if you forgot the password to any of these accounts, what you want to do to reset the password is type net user, the account name, like as you can see, it's like my account socked, so you can go socked, and the password that you want to set, like you can just make it 123. And if I hit enter, it says the command completed successfully. All right. And now if I close this, if I close the command or not, I guess. Okay, that's weird. Okay, closed. So now if I type in socked, you have to type it in as is, as you saw it before. Your username, actual username might be like your full name or something. But like your username from net user is gonna be the one you type in here, and then I set my password to 123. As you can see, it logs in, and I don't have this account set up. So yeah. Okay, so we're still here. We're gonna reopen the magnifier CMD thing. Okay, say that like net user I'm gonna show my things again. Okay, say that like if you go net, this sometimes happens, right? If you go net user, your account, um, and then you password, it sometimes doesn't work. Like, I'm gonna set it to like, I'm gonna set it to an empty string. I'm gonna set it to this. So what this does, if you type this in, you can like type in the password you want. If you type in the star, the asterisk, but I want an empty password. Okay, so sometimes, okay, typing this gives you an error, right? So what you can do, it's because you set like a Windows pin. It's called like Windows Hello. It's a stupid Windows feature as always. This Windows feature basically means that you use like a pin instead of a password, whatever that means. What you have to do in this case is create a new user. So to create a new user, you go net user and whatever the new user you want. So like 67nator slash add. Obviously I don't want to create this user, so I'm not going to hit enter. But if you want to create a new user, you hit enter right now. Okay, I'm not going to hit enter. I'm going to backspace all that. And yeah, that'll be that. And if you need administrator access to any of the users, like say you do know the password. Say you do know the password to like your user socked, but like you can't run anything as an administrator. You can't install a new program, whatever, because you don't have administrator access. You gotta go like net local local group. Oh wait, hold on. Local group, net local group, administrators. Pretty sure that's how you spell administrators. Whatever your username, say socked is my username. Remember your username, you get it from typing net user, right here, net user. And you get all the usernames. So like find your account. It's gonna be pretty obvious what your account is. Like, see, like for example, this could be your account. What your account isn't is this one, this one, this one, and this one. These are all default Windows accounts that Windows just uses. So, and it's net user, net local group administrators, socked, or whatever your account is. The socked is my account name, by the way. So you want to go slash add, you know? I'm already in the group, so it's gonna error, but it should say command run successfully for you. And then once you log in again, you will be an admin. Okay, so okay, now the next step is I'm gonna show you how to, bring back Magnifier. So you wanna log in. I'm just gonna log in real quick. All right, I'm on my account. So what you wanna do is, okay, I copied Magnifier over to my. Where did I copy it? In here, I copied it to my user. As you can see, this is magnify.exe. If I actually run this, it should work. No? Okay, so this is the one that I copied over. What you're gonna wanna do is, what is it? Copy this to your System32. So you can just, actually, I'm gonna do it the easier way. So you wanna go to like your C, and then you're gonna go Windows, wherever System32 is. System32, did I miss? Yeah, I missed. Okay, System32, and this is like System32. You just wanna paste it. As you can see, I'm Control V. And it'll say like, do you want to replace this jaunt? And you want to, yeah. And as you can see now, if I run magnify, it'll magnify. That's cool. Now if I log back out, you can log out with Windows L. If I log back out and I do this, this thing, and run magnify, it'll just run magnify again. As you can see. Okay, yep, that's the video. I'm gonna show you one more bonus thing, just in case you accidentally lose this magnify and you want your magnify back. I'm gonna show it to you 1 second. Okay, so what you wanna do is open a administrator command prompt. Command prompt run as administrator, and you type in your administrator password. Mine is empty, so just hit yes. And then you want to type sfc /scan now. This right here, this string, sfc /scan now. Type enter, and it will just run this. And once it finishes, it'll put back your magnifier. And basically, this command looks through all of your Windows files and makes sure that they're not corrupted. What we did is we corrupted the magnifier and made a command prompt. And we fixed our computer. Let's go, baby!